Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to restoring this clay sculpture. We will clean it and color it because this one does not look like the final product at all. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share our video. For more new content, please comment down below what kind of video you guys like to watch, and I will make them only for you. Let's go! This is the sculpture before I even clean or paint it. I'll clean it with a flat tackle-on brush because it's so dusty, and then I will put a thin layer of gesso. As you can see how I swiping the brush back and forth to clean off all the dust that's sitting between those little corners. I will be using the fabrical acrylic colors, and I'll show you the colors one by one, the one I'm gonna using. This kind of acrylic color works really well with any kind of surface material. You can see the sculpture has a really dark tone to it, so I will use thin layers of gesso. You can DIY gesso or you can buy it from a local shop, but I DIY'd mine, and all it took a little bit of white acrylic paint, some baby powder or some plaster of Paris, and a little bit of water. And I'm using this old palette of mine to mix the colors and some round brushes to do the colors on the surface, and a spray bottle. Quick note, I have made a huge mistake. I forgot to put on the gesso to the skin of the sculpture, and I had to put 3 layers of paint to it. Can you imagine how stupid I am? Anyway, so here I am painting the body. I have took a little bit of orange, a little bit of brown and lots of white, and made this skin tint for the sculpture. As you can see, this is the third layer of the paint. Now you can see how much the paint is visible right now, like it's looking like skin. I had to put so many layers just for a small mistake I have made, but I didn't it anyway, and I started to put gesso again like I said I was going to. And this is the first layer of the gesso. Later I'll put another layer of the gesso and it will look so much clean. This is the second layer, and look how bright and white the surface looks like just like paper or canvas, don't you think? Comment down below what kind of silly mistakes you used to make. Here I am painting the clothing of the sculpture. As you can see, I have used the green, ultramarine blue. The green was light green and ultramarine blue and pink for the head turban. And I am doing the dholak right now. It is brown sienna in the shade, and then I'm gonna do some pretty detailing now. I have the Fabricals 3D liner and I'm using the white shade on the light green cloth. And here I am using the silver glitter liner for a little bit of blingy detailing, because the clothing looks so much normal to me, though I have added shades of two greens so that it looks really all those detailing of the cloth and stuff like that. Some of the detailing in the eye and the near eye areas are left. I'm using the black acrylic paint to draw the eye and eyebrows and inside of the cornea and final details and stuff like that. And for the final part of the restoration work, I'm glazing down my sculpture, and this varnish is from a local shop, but the varnish's quality is quite good. You will see later on the video how much honey glazed it looks, like amazing. The quality and for the price, it was just top notch. I diluted the varnish a little bit with the paint thinner, and that's it. Now, here's the magic. Comment down below how you like it. I guess it turned out quite okay. But the only thing I loved is the glaze. The varnish is glazing the heck out of the sculpture. And to be honest, the turban looks like an ice cream I could eat off. And those gold detailing are really looking amazing, to be honest. So if you guys have something at your home left, of course you can turn it just like I did, and don't forget to varnish. So comment down below how you like it. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and share to your friends and family. Till then, bye bye.